Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself cleaning up your Jira board and wondering, how do I safely delete a subtask without messing up my project? Then you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete a Jira subtask the right way. Cleanly, safely, and permanently. Let's dive straight in. First things first, open your Jira dashboard and head to the project where your subtask lives. It's super important to make sure you're in the right project before making any changes. You don't want to delete the wrong thing. If you have a ton of issues or subtasks, use Jira's search bar or filters to quickly locate the subtask you're targeting. This saves you from unnecessary scrolling and confusion later. Once you've found your subtask, click on it to open the detailed view. Here, double check everything: comments, attachments, current status, and assignee, to make sure this is definitely the subtask you want to remove. A quick review helps prevent deleting something important by mistake, especially if your team's been actively collaborating on it. Now, in the top right corner of your subtask window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options menu. Click it and you'll find the Delete option. Before you hit that button, remember, deleting a subtask in Jira is permanent. Once it's gone for good. There's no undo button for this one. After you select Delete, Jira will pop up a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure. If you're confident, click Delete again to confirm. And that's it. The subtask disappears instantly, leaving your project cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage. And there you go. That's how to delete a Jira subtask step by step. If this video helped you tidy up your workspace, drop a like, subscribe for more quick Jira tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects clean and your tasks on track.